Hey guys, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I am so excited to share with you my first kit for the new series I am doing with Daisy Scraps. We are calling this Shop It or Stash It with Daisy and Christy, and the point of it is we're doing two kits. The first kit is a stash kit that we've created obviously from our stash. We'll play with that for 1 month. And then the second month is a new kits of stuff that we were able to buy from wherever we choose to buy. My first kit will be from scrapbook.com, like papers I got from there. And we want to we'll explain about that one a little bit more, but we have a price limit for that. And we're just going to play and kind of do our own stuff. It's to help us use up our stash, but also bring new product in and keeping it fresh without buying it all at once. So we're super excited. I think it's going to be lots and lots of fun. And there's a few things that we're kind of considering freebies, like cardstock and a few other things like that. And we are giving permission that you can still kind of pull from your stash because everyone does that anyways. But this is trying to be the collection of our kit. So my biggest challenge is we're supposed to grab like an ephemera pack or something, but I don't store my ephemera or embellishments in packages. I store them in colors. So first thing I did is I pulled 3 colors to play with. So my blue tones, my darker pink tones, and then my rainbow mixture. Those are going to be the 3 that I go to first. And then alphas, we did try to keep the alphas down, but mine are so well loved that I pulled a few. So I pulled that fun foam pink one along with this one. I like to try to use these up, so I pulled these. They've got the navy and the pinks that you'll see in the papers. Also the gold and the rose gold mini alpha, and again one I would like to use up, so I pulled this, and hopefully I can use those up this month. I am challenging myself to use some washi, so I pulled this Dear Lizzie washi book. Some of the colors I felt matched pretty decently, so I'm gonna try to play with that this month. And then I gave myself some cut file options because one of my big challenges for the year is to use these beautiful cut files I received. So I pulled this cloud one mostly because it's breaking and that makes me sad, so I'd like to get used up before I completely break it apart. So there's this cloud one and this really fun heart one because it is February, so I'll probably do some sort of a Valentine's Day layout within this collection. And finally my coffee themed ones. I probably won't use all of them, but they are there. So those are the cut files I've added into my kit. And then for paper, I'll show you what I'm starting with and where I built it from. So I grabbed this piece first. I liked the colors, and I forgot to say that everything is being built off a mood board, which I'm sure you kind of have caught concerning you can see it. You can see the mood board on camera right now. But I grabbed this one because it really matched the pink, and then there's some of the teal and the navy. It's a little bit of a darker navy that is in the mood board, but it works. And then there is that kind of corally color. So I felt like this was a good representation. And then I pulled in this, which is the same collection, which brought in the yellow. So those are kind of my color tones on where I was going. And then I grabbed this navy because it matches, to me it matches well enough to play with. And then the back of it has the red and the yellow, so I have the options to play there, and I can do fussy cutting if I so desire or whatever. So there's this navy. And then I grabbed a pink, which really matches really well with that heart. So there is that pink. The back side of it is this. It doesn't really match anything, so you probably won't see me use that side, but it's there. And that matches that. And then I was actually planning on building a page kit with these, and so I pulled the paper that I wanted to do the page kit on, and I think this is also Simple Stories, so therein lies some more perfect navy there. And then again, here's some yellow and some pink and some teal, and this all kind of goes into the mood board as well. So everything's matching perfectly. I really, really love that. I needed a yellow, and the only one that I really had that was kind of close is this one, which is a summer line. And these swimsuits are important. I have an idea for them, so there may be some random summer layout in this kit, because in this layout, because I really want to use these swimsuits. But this yellow was kind of as close as I could get. I don't have a ton of yellow, but that one matched. And then I want to challenge myself with one of my mixed media papers that I have. I started them and then I didn't use it for whatever project, so I pulled in this black. There's no black in the kit, but I wanted to pull it so I had something in a direction to go in if I so choose. And then finally, I looked at these, and though they're a different color scheme, like the colors are a little bit brighter maybe than the rest of it. I'm trying to show you the best I can. Hopefully you can see that. I still felt like they kind of went. And this is another one I was going to create a page kit with. And so instead, I'm just going to pull it into my kit here and use them in with that. And then finally, I'm going to just pull these two main papers back so you can see them. To add a few 6x6s and get some of those used up, I went ahead and grabbed this one because it absolutely was perfect for the two color tones. And then this one too, which is a little off, but I felt like if I need to back it with, that would work well. I grabbed this one only because it matches that green in there. I would have to use it with this. It's really the only thing that it matched with. And then I grabbed this because it matches, again, the brighter tones in that. And I'm thinking one way or another I can make a cool layout with it. And then finally, a wood green. Probably will be for backing in some way, but who knows? I will figure that out when I get there. So a very simple stash kit. I'm not overdoing it. This is our first round, so I don't really even know what it is I need yet, but we are so excited to get started. There is a kind of a surprise secret in store with it, so make sure that you are watching and staying tuned because that will be announced during one of the videos. And I'm really, really excited to see what I can create with this, and I'm excited to get started. Please make sure you head on over and go check out Daisy's kit because it's amazing. It's super pretty, and I cannot wait to see what she does with all of her stuff. And I am going to bring in within this kit stickers and stuff, but again, I store them so differently. I didn't really go through them to pull anything in particular, so we'll kind of just pull them as I feel inspired in what I want to do. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you this month using up this kit. Bye!